There's been something on my mind. I overanalyze and still can't find a second, third or fourth word to make sense that tells you how I feel and doesn't cause offense. The past keeps thumping in my brain. You turn my mood from sunshine into rain, and I have no hidden agenda, but the harder that you work, I'm told, the harder it is to surrender. Maybe I'm making things too hard. Sometimes I'm nice with my company's credit card. And if there's something wrong, then I'll just say, just 'cause I like Donald Sutherland don't mean I'm gay. Past keeps thumping in my brain. You turn my mood from sunshine into rain, and I have no hidden agenda, but the harder that you work, I'm told, the harder it is to surrender. Surrender.